Hello there, aspiring coders. Wondering if Visual Studio Code or VS Code is good for beginners? Spoilers, it's awesome. Let's break it down. First, VS Code is free and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's lightweight, so it won't slow down your computer. Perfect for newbies. The interface is super clean. You've got your own code editor, a file explorer, and easy access to extensions. Speaking of which, extensions make VS Code a beginner's dream. Need help with Python, JavaScript, or HTML? Install extensions like Prettier for auto-formatting or Live Server to see your web projects in real time. It's like having a coding buddy. Debugging is a breeze with built-in tools. See errors, test your code, and fix issues without leaving the app. Plus, the integrated terminal lets you run commands right in VS Code. No switching apps. IntelliSense is a game changer. It suggests code as you type, catching mistakes early. It's like spell check for coding. Beginners, don't worry about getting stuck. VS Code has a massive community. Tutorials, forums, and YouTube vids are everywhere. You're never alone. Download it in minutes from code.visualstudio.com, customize it with themes, and start coding. It grows you as you level up. So, is VS Code good for beginners? Absolutely. It's simple, powerful, and free. Try it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Happy coding!